2, 3. Welcome to Marty's!
Mabuhay and welcome tourists to a sunny afternoon in paradise. My name is Linda. Today I am here to introduce to you to Marty's Fashion, Creation and Collections, her place for creativity and Rhoda and Ate Mercy. So can you please give them a hand of applause, please? Alright, so under the expert guidance of our skilled artisans, you will have the opportunity to polish, shape, and design your own unique creations. So may I know if you have already tried to do some handcrafting workshops before? Alright, so I can see that there are only a few of you that already tried to do some handcrafting workshops. So this is the best day to learn new things, and please don't forget, because this is very important for us, especially to result students. So I have my friend Miss Canita Sido, who will give us a brief discussion about what shell and lubang making we're going to use. Alright? So thank you, Lovey. By the way, I'm Jay, and I'll be walking you through on today's activity. So here in Marty's Fashion, Creation and Collection, it is owned by Miss Marty Silawan, and she started her business way back 2010, and on the same year, her business started booming. So they are currently 14 years in the business now, and they exported handicrafts specifically to Hawaii. And Hawaii, Tahiti, Japan, France, and Guam. Yeah. So our side is Lumbang. Has different variations of color, and that lubang is gold, black tiger. Nana siya white tiger and brown tiger. So ano yung game? Black tiger. Yeah, tingnan siya. Ay, nagpano sila i-export lang nila sa Hawaii. And our side is Mongo shell. Ano siya? Made up of tiny shells. So, kanang you will be making today a vase or bracelet. So, sa inyong ganahan, whichever you like. So, here is Ate Marty, the owner, together with Ate Rhoda and Ate Mercy. They will be demonstrating and assisting you today. Thank you.
Ang buwan lumba. Ano yung pang-making na ni Katawan na rin sa Mindanao. Sa Makosi National Free sa Hawaii. Pero mostly sa Pagkari din sa Atoan. So yung buwan ng plate ito. Ano, hindi na lang plate ito sa plate ito siya kasi. So si Kuan. Si Rhoda may matutog niya saan magpatog na ito nas. So this side also, Kuan. Mongo Chile. Ang yung mga ito is chopper. Chopper. Yan na siyang mongo shell. Kaya nga no, ang original niya is green. Tanawan mo siya, muna din siyang munggos. Wala siyang munggos ba? Gigala na mongo shell. Naraghapon ni sa ato. Sikat kayo sa Hawaii. Kasi i-google pa ninyo. Nani ka sa ganang magawas. Muna ako sila call item for Hawaii.